All right, Ashley, so I'm a senior in high school and I'm looking at welding schools to go to, learn how to weld. What are those counselors going to ask me about the welding school that I choose or am looking at?
Well, probably the very first thing that guidance counselor or school, career counselor is going to ask you is, are they accredited? Because that means something to that person. That means that school has went through all the rigorous process to be recognized nationally. And guess what? KWI is nationally accredited by ACCSC.
So how long does it take to get accredited?
Well, the accreditation process can be short, be fast. It depends on the agency you work with. But there are a lot of things that they're going to make sure that you're doing for that accreditation.
Okay, so would that help, I guess, a student's case of trying to go to that welding school if the school is accredited? So would that allow the counselor to help the student out more for that school?
Yeah, a lot of times an accredited school is going to allow that parent to maybe use the 529 plan where they couldn't before.
Okay.
A lot of times that accredited school will now show up on a national registry, so the ACT score can be sent directly to the school. So those type of things are hurdles that with an accredited welding school like KWI don't impact the student getting to be enrolled and becoming a student anymore.
Okay, so that's really something to put on the plate when choosing a welding school.
Right, for sure.
If they're accredited.
When you're thinking about the accreditation, look for the school that is accredited, but is also gritty and hardcore and in your face like KWI.
So full circle. So you want to choose a full circle welding school.
That's
that
right.
has everything in it.
Yeah, so KWI offers wallet card certifications from AWS, so we are an accredited test facility with the American Welding Society. We're also an accredited training unit with the NCCER, National Center for Construction Education and Research, and then that national accreditation on top of that as well. So it's going to start opening the doors for more and more students who are looking for not just a gritty, hardcore weld school with strict attendance, but also a school that's going to be more favorable in the eyes of guidance counselors and other financial institutions.
All right. Well, guys, you've heard it here. Kentucky Welding Institute is now a nationally accredited school. So, whenever you're checking out schools and stuff, just look at what, they have to offer for you. And also, if you want more information on the Kentucky Welding Institute, check out our website and subscribe to our YouTube. We'll be putting out a lot more content explaining to you guys how we operate things here at the school. Until next time, catch you later.